tofu, potato, coconut milk rice, or soya tofu, potato, coconut milk rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes and one of the most unique of the veg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most different of the rice recipes. Today we are going to make tofu, potato, coconut milk rice or soya tofu, coconut milk rice. The ingredients are around 150 to 200 grams of tofu cut into cubical pieces. The next ingredients are 25 grams of ginger, 1 potato peeled and cut into pieces, 1 onion cut into pieces, 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 6 to 7 shallots, 1 green chili. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. In there, now put in the onion pieces. Thoroughly salt the onions and shallots together. salt paste. Mix in the salt. Put in the potato pieces. Mix the spices of garam masala. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix in the spices. Put in the tomato paste. Put in the green chili. If you want it to be more spicy, you can cut the green chili and put it, or you can put in even 2 green chilies. Thoroughly mix. Put in the tofu pieces. Basically made from soya curd, and hence it can also be called soya tofu. Tofu is basically cheese made from soya curd. Mix thoroughly. Mixing the tofu with the rest of the mixture. Now pour in 250 to 300 ml of coconut milk. Mix. mixture cook for 6 to 7 minutes if in a pressure cooker, or 15 to 20 minutes if in an open pan. Now once the mixture has been cooked for the required amount of time, put in the 1 cup of washed and soaked rice, mix and let the mixture cook for 5 to 7 minutes in the pressure cooker, or 15 minutes in the open pan. Now the tofu, potato, coconut milk rice is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final tofu, potato, coconut milk rice, or soya tofu, potato, coconut milk rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes, and one of the most unique of the tofu recipes, and one of the most tastiest of the potato recipes, and one of the most different of the fried rice recipes, and one of the most appreciates of the coconut milk recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.